Hello guys, today we are going to know how to install code blocks in your computer. You will also see how to run a program in this video. So at first I am going to open my browser. You can go to Firefox, Microsoft Edge, but in this case I am going to open Google Chrome. You can go by which browser you have in your PC. Then I am going to type codeblocks.org. You can see I have typed codeblocks.org. Then I will press enter. Then you will see this kind of page in your window. You can also do it by another way. Simply go to your browser, then type code blocks. You can see that I have write code blocks here. Then I'm going to press enter. Then I'm going to see this kind of page, this site. Then I have to go to the first site, this codeblocks.org. I'm going to click this page. Then you can see the window which we see before in our video. Then I'm going to downloads and click it. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Then you will find binary release. You have to click it. Then you will see this kind of page. In this window you will see binary release. Under binary release you will see that Windows XP, Vista, or Windows 7, 8.x, or Windows 10. You will see Linux 32 and 64-bit. You will see Mac OS X. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see Microsoft Windows. These are code blocks, setup.exe. You will simply download it from this sites. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see Linux 32-bit versions, Mac OS, and also other older releases. I'll go to Windows, Microsoft Windows, because I am using Windows. I'm going to download codeblocks latest release, codeblocks 20.03 MinW. Sorry, not this one, codeblocks 20.03 MinW setup.exe. I'm going to download 20.03 MinW setup.exe because this version is good, very good for run C program. If you watch the notes, you can see that in this note that codeblocks 20.03 setup.exe includes codeblocks with all plugins. The codeblocks 20.03 setup non-admin.exe file is provided for convince to users that do not have administrator rights on their machines. If you see watch this, you can see that CodeBlocks 20.03 MingW setup.txt includes additionally the GCC or Z++ slash Z Fortran compiler and ZBD debugger from MingW W64 project version 8.10.32 slash 64-bit. So I'm going to download this one, CodeBlocks 20.03 MingW setup.txt. You can download from FOSSHub or sourceforge.net. I'm going to click on sourceforge.net. You can see it will automatically start downloading. Your download will start shortly. Then I'm going to click on save. It will automatically download in my PC. You can see that the downloading process is going on. If I click on show all, you can see CodeBlocks 20.03 MingW setup.txt is downloading. It will took 9 minutes or it may take a seconds for you. It depends on your internet connection. After finishing your downloads, you have to go to this PC, then downloads, then you will see the exe file CodeBlocks 20.03 mingw.setup.txt, which you have to install in your PC. So I'm simply going to double click it. It will take a few seconds. Then you have to click yes. It will automatically start the downloading process. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on I agree. You can check the boxes or maybe uncheck the boxes. You can see the space required is 531.5 MB. Then you have to click on next. Then you can see the browse option where the file will locate. It means the file location, which is C/program file//CodeBlocks. Now you have to click on install. It will automatically start the process of installing. It will take a few seconds or minutes. You have to wait for the installing process. After finishing the process, you can simply see that do you want to run CodeBlocks now. You can simply click yes or no. I'm going to click yes. It will run the CodeBlocks. This is the look of CodeBlocks when the installation is complete. I'm going to minimize it. Then I'm going to click on next and finish. Here the installation is finished. Then I'm going to code blocks. Here I'm going to file, then new, then empty file, or you can simply press Ctrl Shift N for an empty file. I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to run a program. First I'm going to write hash, then include, then studio.h, then int main, I'm simply going to print hello world. So I'm going to write print. If you are a beginner, you will not understand it, but I'm just going to show you how to run a program in code blocks. Then return 0, and I'm going to simply build and run, which is this symbol. Then I'm going to save it, or I'm going to rename it. I'm going to write hello world.c. Then I'm going to click save. Then I am again going to click on build and run. You'll simply see that the program is running, and here is hello world. The execution time is 0.314 seconds. Hope this video helps you a lot, and thank you for watching this video.